I love hands-on labs because that's where the learning can connect.
Getting hands-on experience is a lot easier than us telling you how things work. Now you've done it once yourself.
Typically the people who are really engaged with us on Instruqt are engineers. They're people who want to get their hands on with the technology.
It's learning through doing, right?
Give the customer a sandbox where they can go through and actually experience our products for themselves.
With Instruqt, we were able to just build these labs and show people step by step how do you deploy Portworx, how's Portworx working with those Kubernetes clusters.
Success for me, one of my main metrics is how many people walk out. We had to pry them out of their seats because we had another event starting.
I don't have to really care about telling them how to install or set up this machine or anything. They already show up with everything they need.
The fact they can use VS Code and make changes in that text environment they're used to and have a console right next to them that they can then run those changes through the terminal has been the most powerful thing I've seen.
They don't have to really much think about how to set up the environment. They really focus on what I have to say, and the platform is there to assist them, achieving this.
There is nothing about like, okay, go to this website, download these libraries. I have to look into slides, I have to look into the code, I have to look into the environment. That is nothing there. It's just one clean experience.
Was under pressure because I had to give a live demo, but thankfully, Instruqt and saved the day for me.
I've got 5 people or 50 or 100, and with Instruqt, we can just build the lab, provision it out at runtime, and it all works out really well, and it's super scalable for us.
Instruqt is critical to us because of its reliability even in large environments. When I started at Solo, we rolled a lot of this sort of workshop enabling technology on our own. Yep. I'd hold my breath when we actually began the hands-on part of the workshop, like, is it going to work today?
Yep.
I sleep really well with Instruqt now.